Namaste and happy Independence Day. I feel extremely proud to be an Indian and to be born in such a great country. For this day, I have designed this look which has been inspired by Deepika Padukone in Piku. It's a very traditional and a very simple look. So if you want to learn how to do it, keep watching. Like I said earlier, it's a very simple and a very easy look which you can wear during the day or during the evening. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to press the thumbs up button and Jai Hind!